How to reset your Bank of America online banking password. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a guide to reset the password for our bank. So let's get started with the video. Open up the browser for that, or you may access the application as well and head over to the login page. For that, if you're on the website, we need to head over to bankofamerica.com. So go ahead and tap on it and open it up on your screen. And we may head over to the login page on their website or the app. So within this interface right here, look out for the login option, usually located in the top right corner. So go ahead and tap on it. And once we go ahead and tap on it, what we need to do is look out for the option for forgot ID or password. So within this page right here, wait for it to load up. And once it loads up, we can tap on that option, which should be appearing like this. Now within this space right here, what we need to do is we need to click on this option called forgot ID or password, the link. So tap on it and it will redirect you to another page where we need to verify our identity. So first of all, we need to provide in some basic information and they will help us with our user ID or password. So in this first box, we can provide in our card or account number, the last 6 digits usually. So you can type it in. And right below it, we need to provide in our social security number or the tax ID for our business account. So go ahead and type it in. And once we do so, we can tap on this option called continue and follow the prompts to confirm our identity, which may involve answering security questions or receiving an authorization code via text or call to your registered phone number. You may just go over and enter it up and confirm your new password, ensuring it meets their security requirements. For example, a 8 characters password, uppercase, lowercase, or numbers. And just go over and provide it up. And while you are creating a new password, ensure that you meet the Bank of America security standards. And also, you can just go over and clear out the cache if you're having trouble logging in. But usually, this is how we do it. You should be able to reset your Bank of America online banking password following out this method, which is quick and easy. So, we hope this video was helpful. Ensure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.